What is up, guys? Back at it with another SnowRunner video. This time I am teaming up the IX 3880 Wrecker with the M181 Wendigo Cat 745C. There's a reason I paired these two trucks up for the recovery I'm about to do with them. You guys will see that shortly. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright, here we are starting off with the IX Research IX 3880 Tri Axle Rotator, heading our way to the recovery site. This is another great truck from the team from IX Research. As most of you probably know of the IX Wrecker, which is, let's face it, we know that thing's a Ford F650. And those with sharp eyes will probably pretty quickly understand what this truck's supposed to be as well. I'm not getting into too further details of that, copyright issues and whatnot. BA 2017 and myself kind of hinted at this truck in the past couple videos I worked with him. Now that the filming embargo has been lifted, it is time to get this truck its due. Of course, like any other IX truck or any other IX team vehicles with quasi tires, it has no problem getting where it needs to go. And as you can see, it's handling this road effortlessly. Ignore that mission prompt up there because that was something I was working on before I started to do this video. So, just gotta do a quick pause if you see where I'm in relation to the vehicle I want to recover. Okay. Once you get to the site, you guys will see why I'm bringing the Wendigo in for a tag team. Not saying the 3880 cannot handle this, it's just I'd rather not drown a great truck. I have attempted to do this mission with other vehicles in the past, so I have a faint idea that I know what I'm dealing with here in this particular scenario. I believe that's a C70. I can't remember exactly what the truck is. Who knows? I might be wrong on this being able to get out there, but I remember this being a particular pain in the butt, so I'm going to default to a truck that can handle it, unless I can snag it with a rotator. Worth a shot. I remember this area being particularly deep, so... Oh, okay, never mind. I might be able to do this with the feet by itself. So with that said, oh yeah, I can get to it with the feet. Okay. Let's see where this truck's gotta go. Okay, I gotta drag this to the farm. Let's see if the rotator can do it on its own. I remember this being a particular pain in the butt before, so Okay. Let's just get nice balanced. Rotate the rotator boom just a little bit. Grab this as a thumbnail. Yeah. Honestly, I thought this one was deeper, so my bad on that one. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I might have to boom a little high. Let's try this. Ah, okay. Now I see where I goofed up. See if that helps me. Okay. This is exactly what I kind of figured was going to happen. That's kind of why I was thinking I was going to need the cat. And as much as I hate to say it, yep. Okay. That was probably more of a case of me thinking a little bigger than what the Pete could handle. But that said, no knocking against the truck, is just, that was more driver error than anything. So I'll leave this one here. I will jump to the Wendigo. I had a feeling I was going to have to tag it in, but I figured I'd try first. Now that we're over to the Wendigo, I can kind of give some highlights on that now as well. Of course, this is one of the enhanced M181 series trucks. This is meant as a more severe duty recovery truck that Mike put together, using the already formidable Cat 745C. He just made it even better. Lob also did a truck. I can't remember what, I believe he calls his the Anaconda. I'll have to double check. It's been a while since I've driven it. It will come up in a future video. So I'm planning to pit these two against each other. This crane configuration basically essentially turns the Cat 745C, or in this case the Wendigo specifically, into a somewhat large rotator. Of course, it's got the excellent crawler box HD transmission as well as active suspension, which I will put to use getting that Kodiak out where it's in. I kind of suspected I was going to have to use it, but I thought, well, like I said, I thought I'd give it a try with the 3880. Don't get me wrong, bigger tires, bit taller suspension, which are probably both options in there. I just didn't configure it for that. Would probably get that done. I'll go out from this angle. As you guys will now see, this guy's got a trick up its sleeve. In the form of the active suspension that both the law version of this truck and the Wendigo both employ. Great success. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ha 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 ha. See, this is what I was worried about doing with the rotator. Apparently not even the Wendigo's immune to this. See if we utilize the winch on the Wendigo to get the truck. Nope, just a little out of its reach. No matter. That's where this truck's second trick comes into play. As you guys can see, the Wendigo making very short work of this task. But as you guys can also see, it's also at the cost of maneuverability. So, trade-offs, I suppose. And the Wendigo's job is done for now. Time to go back to the rotator. So I want to call this the wrecker. I'll adjust my cables so we get back to the road. We'll see exactly how it needs to be adjusted. Sorry for not being awkward at the moment. I'm just kind of focused on driving. But as you can see, this truck is definitely making truck work of this job. I think it's very much safe to say this is gotta be one of the ultimate recovery vehicles that have come up with in this game so far. Especially teamed up with a beast such as the Wendigo. Where the 3880 leaves off, the Wendigo takes over. Fortunate fact of life, there will be places that this truck cannot go just because of depth. You guys see me almost submerge the Wendigo trying to get to this truck, so... Quick look at the cab before I, pull up to the farm because this mission's almost over. There are two other missions like this, but I believe I have already done them. Basically, one's a downed highway truck, one's a downed scouts. I believe I did them a long time ago. I'll check in a moment. And with that said, this one is done. Great test for the IX3880. Great teamwork using the Wendigo and partner with it. I guess with that said, off to the next one. Have a good one, guys.